Hi everyone, Ellen Canner here. We are already at Too Hot to Cook, so I wanted to give you something that's going to tempt your appetite, that's going to be nice and cool, a little tropical too, because this is Miami. So let's do some tropical lettuce cups, shall we? I was talking to someone the other day, he said, what's up with light iceberg lettuce? It's nothing. I kind of agree, but for lettuce cups, you don't want anything with that serious crunch. You want tender. You want tenderness in your life. You want tenderness in your lettuce. So I have some beautiful, soft butter lettuce here. And that's going to be the cups for our salad. So let's see what's in it, shall we? So I have some crunchy bean and green sprouts that I sprouted myself from Fully Fresh, a local company. I have some avocado, which I think we recognize. There are all kinds of other things you can add. Some firm tofu that's diced, a little daikon, or in this case, a very big daikon. But really, the ingredient I want to show off here is hearts of palm. I have diced up a little bit. Hearts of palm was once so prevalent here. It was called swamp cabbage. People didn't buy it like this, they foraged for it till it got over-farmed. Because to have hearts of palm, you have to come to the center of a sable or cabbage palm, and what you get are these very slim cylinders. But in cutting the heart of the palm, you can also harm or kill the tree and the entire ecosystem. So we don't do that anymore. We make sure that we have sustainable or organic hearts of palm that are farmed many different places. This is native forest. Love their stuff. So in go about 1.5 cups of sprouts, the same amount of hearts of palm. There's like 2,500 species of palm. Some of them have multiple trunks. So to grow them sustainably, you can take the heart of one and keep the tree alive. That makes a difference. We like living palm trees. We like hearts of palm too because it's very mild flavored, kind of like asparagus or artichoke hearts, even though it's not related to either one. So I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm adding my crunchy stuff first. My tofu and my avocado. Everything here is cool and non-cooked. And really now all we have to do is the dressing. I wanted a tropical element there too, but I also wanted to honor lettuce cups tend to have an Asian influence, always a good thing. So I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You know I like olio puro, and tablespoon of orange. This is a real orange. It's not sprayed or dyed. We like it for that. And it's local. A tablespoon of orange juice, 2 teaspoons of soy or tamari, and 1/2 teaspoon powdered ginger. Now you could whisk all this together in a bowl, or you can do what I'm about to do. There, that wasn't hard. Now I'm gonna give this a little mix in, and you could totally stop it here and just dig it out of the bowl and have a salad. But to make it more of an experience, a positive experience, we can do lettuce wraps. The only ingredient I have not introduced yet is a blizzard of herbs. Oh, so sweet. Cilantro, Thai basil, and mint. So I have chopped up some of them, and I have a nice tender leaf. Slice away the bottom so the leaves come away easily, or if you're feeling a little violent, you can just tear at them as you wish. What I like to do is add a few of the herbs at the bottom, and then you have this gorgeous little package. No cooking, no fuss, no muss, fresh, tropical, gorgeous, delicious, refreshing, I hope. Yes, very good, because we have the creaminess from the avocado. We've got a little punch from the ginger, orange, and soy, and I've got my dog on his hind legs behind me here. We have a little crunch from the bean sprouts and hearts of palm. We got it all going on. So everyone, keep cool, keep fresh. Wishing you all good things. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks. Bye-bye. Oh, honey pie. This is not going to be good for you. You want another treat? We can do that.